2, 1. We're off. Well, welcome to another episode here. I'm with this squirrel.
Welcome to another episode here.
Who hits ducks and smallmouth. And
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have 2 motors. 2 of them.
Mine's on.
And 3 batteries. And we're on a giant lake in the area where we live. It's the biggest lake around. And our plan is to catch a smallmouth. That's all I wanted, is a decent sized smallmouth. 1 smallmouth each. That's our goal. So.
Wanna go do that right there?
That one? I don't think so. Let's go fish this island and then go loop around and fish some rock and try to catch 8-pound smallmouth.
Brian Litzel.
First pretty cold day of fall. It's like a high of 52 today. I know. It's pretty chilly out here. Throwing on a spinnerbait, folks. Hold on, let me cast right back in there. Look out. Really?
Yeah.
Pickerel.
Oh, bitch.
You caught a fish though. Get it in here. Yes, you caught something. Oh no, but hit the dock. This looks so good. There's no fish on this log. This perfectly looking tree right in the water. Can't even get a bite on it. Some issues with this lake. It's like the best looking laydown I've ever seen in my life. I'd actually consider drinking this water. It must be really clean.
Yeah, you didn't die.
I shouldn't die. Fish, for real. Get the net. I'm not kidding, get the net. It's a big fish.
Yeah, that was cute.
I'm not kidding. Are you really?
I think so. That's a pickerel.
Oh no. I thought it was a really big bass or something. It fought like really hard. Get in the boat.
Come on, you gotta land it.
It's in the boat now. It counts. Calm yourself there, Philip.
Philip?
Yeah, his name's Philip. Did you know that? Philip the pickerel. Ouch! Ooh! Something just hit me really hard in the leg. Yeah, Philip, why are you so angry at me? I'm being you, Harry, so far. Ouch! Oh, I thought I killed myself. All right, here's Philip. He's kind of a little angry here. Go away, Philip. Catch you later. Yeah, when you're the state record, I'll catch you. Yay! I caught a fish after what? 3 hours? Ooh, that'll be fine. Fish?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Big?
Yeah.
Oh no, you got a fish. Do you want the net? Net?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a freaking pickerel.
No!
How's there a pickerel over here?
Come on! I hate pickerel right now. You want the net still, or are you good?
I'm good. That's fish.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Is that a pickerel?
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth!
Smallmouth!
Largemouth? Largemouth.
That's 3.
It's about time. I'm still at the fish in my tube over here. Fish!
Asher.
Fish! I'm not kidding. Fish! What is it? Largemouth!
They're the exact same size.
We just doubled up one largemouth.
No way!
Mine's bigger though.
12 inches. I'm right
It's only like 8 actually. I'm proud of it though. It's the first bass of the day for both of us. And if the boat registration is in there, it's your boat. Oh, it is. It's on the keys. You can literally steal that boat right now if you want to. Oh no! Stop! 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 No! Let's break my trolling motor. Did I just break my trolling motor?
Oh my god. Did it turn on?
I don't know. Get out of here though.
Mine's dead.
I think we're good. I think we're good.
Yeah.
Oh hey, I almost just broke the trolling motor. I hit straight against a rock full speed. Fish. Net. Come on, is it big? Yeah. Is it a big smallmouth? Oh, net! It's a giant! I thought it was like a 1 pounder at first. These rocks are so dangerous, I'm gonna cut my line. Right there, get him. Get him. He's coming up. Get him! Yes! Yes! That's not that big, it's like a...
That's like a 3 pounder.
It's like, yeah, 2.5, 3 pounder. So skinny though. Yes! Ouch. Ouch. Oh, now my thumb is all ripped up now. On the tube. Usually I catch smallmouth on these. Ouch. My hand is so cold. Awesome. It's not even that big, but it's been a struggle. Nice first good one of the day. Probably about 2 pounder, 2 1/4. Just let it go. Thought it was much bigger. I'm not gonna lie. Oh! Ouch! My finger is ripped up. It literally was like side by side. I thought it was much bigger than that. Like, I thought it was like a 4 pounder. Yeah, that's Instagram worthy. That's good. You did your job for the day. Alright, so here's a quick update. Finally, after 3.5, 4 hours of fishing, I hooked onto something decent, a decent largemouth on a tube. He caught a baby pickerel and a baby largemouth.
Actually, I caught a big pickerel too.
Oh yeah, you did. I forgot about that. I caught a decent sized pickerel and a baby largemouth, and now the bigger largemouth. Still searching for that 14. 14?
1.5 pounder, maybe 3.50.
Yeah, smallmouth. So you'll see what happens. So stay tuned. I'm actually about to pick up a weird friend, so see how that goes.
Terrace DC.
Yeah, he just bought an Antares DC. No, I'm good. Is that a fish? Oh, I got a fish!
What?
First cast. I thought it was a weeds. Is that a pickerel or a pike? I want to catch a pike so bad. Woo! Kind of wanted to come off though, because there's a treble hook bait. Come on, get off. Whoa, that was close. Dude, calm down. No. Yet. Got the pliers around here. Can't be hooked any worse. Alright. See ya. Oh, he's actually swimming away. He's fine. Alright, I think Asher texted me.
Well, making away, we're in a pretty juicy spot right now.
He's here. Can you fit right there? Yeah, you can. Here, hold this.
This doesn't look like a bad idea at all.
It's not.
Are you serious?
Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to cast it.
Why is it gonna be?
It still has the crisp sound. It's
What? What?
Where are those fires looking?
How'd that happen?
Where are those fires
You just caught a fish randomly.
looking?
it go. I thought you had it.
Ow. So I'm using this really nice reel.
Where did that land?
The drag on this thing is like butter. I might steal it. Here we go. Oh, I almost just dropped that water. I'm gonna get one of these.
Yeah, I know. I'm paying for the new line. So. What the? Dude, that's a fish.
Oh my god, it is.
No, it's not.
Dude, I swear to God, that's a fish.
It is.
What?
What?
Dude, I got the net. I got the net.
Holy crap! Is it really?
Dude,
Yes.
You got a fish on the Huddleston.
Oh, that's so funny.
what?
You just got a fish on the Huddleston.
That's so funny.
It's a small pickerel.
You good?
Can you pull this out, Logan? Just pull. I forward.
This isn't a good idea. Oh, let me go back there first, and then you go up.
There's so much shite.
Oh no.
You know, if you never came, I never would have caught my first fish in the head. What the hell? What just happened?
You have no idea how fast I reacted to that. How did that happen? I didn't see anything.
Harry knocked it.
Really?
Yes, he did.
I stick my arm all the way down to my shoulder in that water. It was sinking. This is a $250 combo. When I reached down to get that, it was on the end of my fingertips, all the way down to my shoulder. That's how far down it was. Get closer. So we're at the boat ramp, like we're about to take the boat out, and we found this live shiner on the bottom of the boat.
Oops. My freaking smallmouth took it up.
Yeah, it's like a little shiner, but you can't see it.
Bye.
Does it swim away? It's swimming away. Look at that, it's perfectly alive. It's been here for what, like an hour and a half?
Yeah.
So that's gonna be it for this video. It was a crazy day. Harry caught a fish on a Huddleston. I almost lost a real expensive fishing rod. There are 3 people on my small 12-foot boat. You've probably been noticing that I've been putting music on my videos. And yes, I finally figured out how to put music on my videos. It's very exciting. So from now on, most of my videos will have music on them because I figured out how to do it. Thanks to my friend Michael for helping me, which is the guy in my last video, if you're wondering who that guy was. His name is Michael and he helps me with my videos. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's definitely fun editing using music. Hope you like the music. I definitely like the music. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.